Chapter 29: Building multiple streams of income. Once your main online business is running smoothly and consistently generating revenue, the next step toward long-term stability and wealth is building multiple streams of income. Relying on just one source of revenue can be risky. If a platform changes its rules, a major client leaves, or an ad campaign stops performing, your entire income could take a hit. Diversifying your income gives you a safety net and more opportunities to grow your wealth over time. The key here is not to spread yourself too thin too early. If your main business is still unstable, you don't want to divert focus and energy away from making it solid. Multiple streams of income work best when you've already built a strong, profitable foundation that can run with minimal daily input from you. Only then does it make sense to start adding new revenue streams. One way to diversify is by adding related income streams to your existing business. For example, if you sell online courses, you could add coaching services, memberships, or live workshops. If you run an e-commerce store, you could introduce a subscription box, launch a complementary product line, or create a private label version of a bestseller. By building on what's already working, you can often add new streams of revenue with far less effort than starting something completely different. Affiliate marketing is another powerful secondary income stream. Even if you already sell your own products, you can promote complementary products from other businesses and earn a commission. This works especially well if you've built an audience through email, social media, or a blog that trusts your recommendations. The key is to only promote products you genuinely believe in so you maintain credibility. You can also diversify by investing in other online assets. This could mean buying an existing website that's already generating income, investing in a profitable e-commerce store, or even purchasing digital real estate like high-traffic domain names. By acquiring something that's already working, you can generate revenue without starting from scratch. For long-term wealth, some entrepreneurs move part of their profits into passive or semi-passive investments like dividend-paying stocks, real estate, or index funds. While these aren't online businesses in the traditional sense, they can provide consistent income that adds financial stability and reduces reliance on your primary business. Content creators often build multiple streams by monetizing across different platforms. A YouTuber might earn from ad revenue, sponsorships, merchandise, Patreon memberships, and their own digital products, all from the same audience. An Instagram influencer might combine brand deals with affiliate links and paid community access. The more ways you can monetize the audience you've already built, the more stable and resilient your income becomes. The important thing is to make sure your income streams complement each other rather than compete for your time and attention. If you run an online fitness brand, it makes sense to branch into supplements, fitness equipment, or online coaching, not to start a completely unrelated side hustle that distracts you from your main business. Synergy between income streams allows you to reuse content, share audiences, and streamline operations. Multiple streams of income also open a door to more freedom. If one stream takes the temporary dip, the others can keep you afloat. And if you want to experiment with a new idea, you can do it without the pressure of needing it to succeed immediately. Over time, you can refine and scale the streams that work best, creating a business and personal financial ecosystem that's much more stable than relying on one single source. In the end, building multiple streams of income is about security, scalability, and freedom. It doesn't mean chasing every opportunity. It means strategically adding new revenue sources that support your overall goals and give you more resilience. Once your main business is humming along, diversifying your income can turn it from a good business into a long-term wealth engine.